I'm David McLean, and with Arbor Barber Tree Services, we're just taking down this blue gum tree at a client's property. As you can see, it's quite a large tree, and they're wanting to look after these two trees here, these frangipani trees. So we're having to rig, which means using a rope, rig some of the branches around over the top of these frangipani trees so that we don't damage them. And once we've got that side off, rigged most of that side off, there's my climber over there. I don't know if you can see him, but he's doing all the hard work up the tree, Zach, and he's up there putting the rope on, and we're rigging the branches around. So once they're all off, we can fell the rest of the tree down through the middle here. That's the plan anyway, and hopefully it all goes to plan. Drop, and then I'll just sweep it through. Well, it all went well. We got the tree down, as you can see. None of the other trees were damaged, so we did well. Zach did well climbing, and as you can see, there's quite a bit of wood there for the client, probably about $700 or $800 worth, and they got free mulch out of it, so they're happy.